So how does Einstein Copilot work?
So Einstein Copilot is integrated with the generative AI, and also it's connected with Salesforce, so that it's having all your access with your sales data and marketing data and other information of the industry.
What are some specific examples of how Einstein Copilot can be used?
Einstein Copilot can do various automation tasks for you. So first of all, it can help you to generate sales report. It can help you on generate sales proposals as well, and also it will be helping you to responding customers' inquiry for you.
How does Einstein Copilot learn?
Einstein Copilot learns from your data and behavior. The more you use Einstein Copilot to answer your queries, the more it will become better by understanding your queries and relatable information.
How is Einstein Copilot secured?
Einstein Copilot includes Einstein Trust Layer, which help organization to prevent their sensitive data to get more generative AI response in a better way. Einstein Trust Layer includes data masking, prompt toxicity detection, and audit trail.
So who can benefit from using Einstein Copilot?
So Einstein Copilot can be used anyone who is using Salesforce right now. So it can be your sales rep, it can be your customer success manager, it can be your marketers, anybody in the industry, in that organization.